Hello, let's continue our verification of AI agents and uh, LLMs using best practices for verification of software products. Anyways, in this verification, participating or taking part or reviewing multiple AI agents in the same time. So I decided to make a competition, kind of, without prizes, of course, between those AI agents, kind of hackathon. Hackathon in meaning that I will provide general description of the feature that I would like to have or product that I would like to have with list of specific features that mandatory and should be available for me to be able to verify that AI agent understood me correctly. And then I will visualize, check with you the progress, the result, and all those things. So, if you saw my previous videos already, you saw that I'm using for visualization of the verification result and AI behavior some lame checklists and tools for those checklist creation that I'm using are good. So digital tables, electronic tables, draw your perfect tools in their categories. It's I who can draw and can't make it beautiful. So I decided to ask AI agents to provide me a checklist management tool. This is how it looks. As usual, with example of one AI agent, I will explain in details and then we just verify. So I each AI agent got eventually the same text because this is copy paste. Announcement that we are starting hackathon. Almost all AI agents display me their abilities with writing code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For some reason, this is just announcement that hackathon will start it. So it's not the actual request provided, but I already got this. Actual request is develop an HTML code for checklist creation and management, what I need. It should be a table with ability to add, remove rows and columns, and mark cells as pass, fail, skip, and A. Add ability to remove cell marks and all marks of the entire table. Features, so here is a list of features that mandatory it should be available for us to evaluate. Ability to add and remove rows of the table. Row header contains name of the item and description of it. Name has a bigger font, the description smaller. Add ability to add and remove columns. Column header contains name of the item in the same font as name of the row. When the user clicks a cell, menu appears to mark the cell as pass, green checkmark, fail, red cross, skip, orange square, NA, bold, NA word, and option to clear the mark, and add ability to clear all marked cells. All code should be executable locally, offline, so on and so forth. So, talking about that, this is first request, first iteration. AI agents replied me with some code. I ran this code, I verified it, and I requested to update this code to fix defects that I observed for a second iteration, and we mostly will take a look on the second iteration result. Why is that? Because for Gemini, I did third iteration, and it appears that difference not that big. So third iteration is meaningless. And we will work with only results of iteration 2 with one exception, DeepSeek. DeepSeek provided the result that was pretty good on iteration 1. And come on. Yes. Let's take a look. Add row, add column, add column, add row, add column, add column. Remove row, remove column. Good. Last. Perfect. Mark, pass, fail. Oops, skip. NA. Pass, fail, skip, NA. This mark is not exactly what I asked for, because I asked to have here this check sign, cross, square, and so on and so forth. But it works, it's fine. It can be cleared, and then it can be reapplied in some different manner. It can clear all marks and still reapply. So, DeepSeek, add row, yes. By the way, as you can see, font of the column name is the same as, and I can modify them. So, row 1, call for item, row description. I can modify them, everything is fine. The bug that I observe is this column header. When I click it, you see this column needs to be edited. Similar, if I click here, this column needs to be edited. I didn't find a wording how to explain DeepSeek what I want and how I want to be fixed. So I applied it, I just mark it as another bug, and that's it. Delete row, yes, I can. Additional, several additional features that wasn't mentioned in the request, but some chats silently added those, and I like them. So the rule is, if no that additional feature, I mark it as NA because I didn't thought about it, I didn't expected it, and didn't ask for it. If this feature is available and working, here will be pass. If this feature available and not working, here will be fail. So here is NA. Add column, yes. Delete column, yes. Delete selected column, NA. Mark cell, fail because I asked a little bit different mark. Clear cell, yes. Additional remark cell, yes. I can change mark on the cell as much as I can where I want. This is additional feature as well. Clear all marks, yes. And no other issues, no. Here is another issue with this column header, but I don't know how to tell it in words in reasonable wording. Next, ChatGPT. Here you can see remove last row, remove last column. This is much better than just remove, because anyways it removed last one. Here it is unanswered. Let's try add column. Let's try add column. Again, I can edit it here. I can edit it here. I can edit it here. Let's try remove last column. Yes. Last row. Yes. Mark it. So here is left click doesn't work, right click works. I didn't mention which button I should click to get this menu, so I accept it because okay, it works. It works. It works in the way how I imagine it, more or less. I can clear it. And mark again. I can probably remark as much as I can, yes. And I clear all marks, and then they are available for mark again. So let's go. ChatGPT. Add row, yes. Delete row, yes. Delete specific row, not available. Column, add, yes. Delete, yes. Specific delete, not available. Mark cell, yes. Clear cell, yes. Remark cell, yes. Clear all marks, yes. No other issues. Honestly saying, I didn't. This is not the verification of the product. This is review of the abilities of AI agent to participate in kind of hackathon. I haven't seen any issues, so yes. No other issues. Cohere. Add row. Add row. Column name not in the font of the row name. I can delete, but I can mark. I can clear. I can remark. Ah, interesting. Here is a bug. Kind of small bug, but anyways. Pass NA. And if I do skip NA, okay. And clear all marks not working, it's removing one by one. So, add row, yes. Delete, no. NA, add column, yes. With bug because font doesn't match. Delete, no. NA. Mark cell, yes. Clear cell, yes. Additional remark cell, yes. Clear all, no. Bug. And other issues, coloring of NA. It has other issues. Okay. Next, Gemini. Again, I can't remove columns and rows. I can add font matches. Okay, matches. Marking. I can't mark. So menu appears, but menu is not working. Clear all marks. Nothing happens here. Nothing interesting to watch. So yes, I can add. No, I can't delete. Column. Yes, I can, but it's a bug because header doesn't match. No, I can delete. I can't mark because menu doesn't work. Clear skip because I can try. Remark skip I can try. Clear all marks skip I can try. No other issues. Besides that, this is the additional issue, not so menu is bad. Yes. Other issues available. Grok 3. I can add. Here is again remove last row. So last row, last column. Yes. Pass. Let's add more. File skip NA. Pass. I can mark, I can clear, and I can mark again. I can remark. Good. I can clear all marks. Okay. So Grok 3, I can add, I can delete, not available. I can add column, so fonts match. I can delete column, not available. I can mark cell, I can clear cell, I can remark cell, I can clear all marks. And I don't see, honestly saying, other issues, so no other issues here. Let's chat by Mistral. Add row, add row, add row, add row, add column, add column, add column, add column. Aha, interesting. I can remove. Let's try remove. Yes, I can remove specific row, but I can't remove columns at all. I can't mark because menu doesn't appear. Neither left and right clicks don't work. So, and clear all marks removes action button, so I can't remove it anymore. So on. Okay, let's chat. Add row, delete row, delete specific row. Yes. Column, yes, no, NA. Cell, okay. I can't mark cell. I don't know what was clear. I don't know what was remark. I don't know. Clear all with failure and additional issues. Because clear all marks removes action button. This shouldn't happen at all. Let's think. So, you know what? There is no additional issues. This issue goes here. So, okay, Perplexity. Add row, add row, add row, add row, add column, add column, add row, add column, add row, add column. So Perplexity has issue with adding, this is columns and rows. Rows, I would say, well, and columns as well. You know, they are merged. Description, yes, I can change. Font doesn't match. And I can mark cells like that. No menu, no drop down. I can write whatever I want. I can delete it eventually. Clear all marks. Well, clear all marks works. Remove column works. Okay. So I can add row. I can delete row. Not selected row. I can add column, but with bug because name doesn't match row name font. I can delete column and not available. I can mark cell but with bug because I asked for different in request. I can clear. Let's skip it because incorrect marking, so I don't know how would it work. Additional remark again, skip. Clear all marks, yes, for some reason. additional issues available, because this merge of columns and rows. So probably let's even do like that, because when I adding rows and columns, when other columns, rows, vice versa were added, I obtaining merged cells. That wasn't an intent. Reka, add row, add column. Mark, same as previous one. What is, clear all marks, clears everything. Okay, so I can add row with bug because I don't have description subsection. I can delete row because there is no API or UI for that. Additional NA. Add column, I can add column, but again, doesn't match name fonts. I can delete column, additional NA. I can mark cell, but this is a bug because different way. Clear, skip, additional remarks, skip. Clear all, fail. No other issues. I can't even. Well, besides that, no other issues, so, let it be like that. And Claude. I assume you already understood what you would see. Right, so this checklist is Claude after some modifications and improvements, because I can add row, I can add column, I can add row, I can add column, I can remove specific, what I like the most, honestly, in this case. You know what? If it would be verification for a product, this silent edition of the feature would be a bug. But this is a hackathon, so I appreciate that. Additional feature. It would be good if, AI agent clarify with me that probably this feature would match. Would you like to try? Yes, no, but okay. So far, so good. I can mark, I can remark, again I can mark, I can clear, and they are operational after that. Still, that is important. I can clear all, and they are operational. So Claude, I can add row, I can delete row, I can delete specific row. Interesting and very useful feature. I can add column, I can delete column, I can delete selected column. That is useful. I can mark cell with features that I requested. I can clear cell, I can remark cell, I can clear all marks, and honestly saying, I didn't detect it. Any other issues, so no other issues pass as well. This is how it looks like. So this is the beginning. I will work on some You know, I will play with prompts and trying to find natural configuration or natural wording of the prompt, but that will help AI agents to participate in hackathon better and display better results. So far, so good. Thank you and see you on next competitions.